More breaking updates coming in, and Mirror now has access details of the NTAGI meeting that was held yesterday on whether or not vaccines should be, what is the right timing for vaccinating children. And sources tell us that the expert panel has decided not to go ahead with children's vaccination with existing vaccines. Hence, for at least for this year, there will be no vaccinating children. With changing scenario and situation, decision on children's vaccines will be taken next year. That's a big update coming in. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman for more on this. Ayushman, what exactly were the details specific to this aspect on vaccinating children that the NTAGI discussed yesterday?
Well, this meeting of NTAGI happened after quite a long period of time in which the new secretary of DBT was also a member, and he also took part in that. We were told that somewhere the booster dose and doses for immunocompromised people, it was said that somewhere the additional data is needed and one needs to overview that, and that has to be waited upon. Similarly, for children also, since there is no vaccine currently being administered in India, the same set of data for children has to be analyzed properly, and only after the data is properly analyzed, there'll be a reconsideration. For now, it is not even being considered because the nature of the virus is such that the natural immunity course in children has been seen, is what sources have told us, and that's the reason why there is no deliberation upon vaccinating children in India as of now.
Right. That is, in fact, a big update because there was a lot of talk about it, especially, with regard to certain vaccines being highlighted, which were meant for children. That is what the discussion was about. But for the moment, that decision has, in fact, been put on hold. So it's a big update with regard to the vaccine policy that India is following. Ayushman, before we let you go, any next steps now for this? I mean, of course, it's going to be now, it's been put off for next year, but is there any next step now in terms of the process which the NTAGI is following with regard to taking a decision on this?
Well, administration of vaccine and the doses regimen is something that lies in the purview of NTAGI and NECVAC, and it will be deliberated. As and when the data comes, the deliberation on vaccinating children will be there. But for now, we have been told that there is a completely no, a big no from NTAGI on vaccinating children. Of course, in the near future, we are being told that if the possibility arises and if the numbers are such and the evidence, scientific evidence suggests so, then there will be a consideration. But for now and for the near future, there is a big no on vaccinating children right now.
Ayushman there bringing us these breaking details. Thank you so much for joining us with that.